Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. My name is Maggie, and today we are going to be making the most fantastic, crowd-pleasing dessert, in my opinion. We're going to make hot chocolate cupcakes. We love this recipe around here. I use mini marshmallows typically for like the inside of it. You'll see once you watch the video what I'm talking about. However, I didn't have enough marshmallows for the top to like decorate and for the inside, so I just used marshmallow fluff, but ideally just stick a couple mini marshmallows in there and it'll be just as good. So I'm excited to share it with you. Perfect for this time of year, super crowd pleasing, delicious. All right, enjoy. Bye.